time to examine. All right. An inverse undoes an operation. Plug in any value into f of x, take the output, and plug it into g of x. Okay, we will. I need a random number from y'all. Don't be shy. Give me a number. Ooh, I haven't tried 0, but I like it. So 3 minus 4 times 0. So when I plug in 0, this is going to be 3 minus 0, so I get an output of 3. Awesome. So y'all, when I plug in a 3 over here, then I need to get the 0 that she just told me. Let's try it. So we're going to take this 3 and plug it in. So this is going to be 3 minus 3 over 4, and it works. Y'all can certainly have 0 in the numerator. That just means it's 0. Nice. That's what an inverse does. It takes the input, takes it back to the original, whatever it was. Okay, down here. Graphing. Here's the biggest thing you need to know about inverse when it comes to graphing. All inverses are reflected over y equals x. All inverses are reflections of each other. And they are always on this diagonal. Remember, y equals x cuts the graph in half on the diagonal. This is f of x right here. F of x equals x. So look, I'm going to plot this first one, 2x plus 3. I am going to plot it on there, but I'm going to cheat a little bit to plot the other graph. So let's go ahead and plot 2x plus 3. Remember the y-intercept is 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. Your slope is up 2 over 1. 1, 2, over 1. By the way, I used the y-intercept. Remember it's 0, 3. And this ordered pair, guys, that I used my slope to grab is 1, 5. So those are the ordered pairs I used. You might want to jot that down. Okay, let me go ahead and connect these dots. Get this line going. So this is f of x. All right, so I'm going to cheat a little bit to graph this. The way that I am going to cheat is I'm going to take these ordered pairs and I'm going to switch the x and y values. So if that's 0, 3, then this is 3, 0. You keep the signs, you don't mess with the signs, they just switch places. So this is 5, 1. So I am going to plot those and connect those. So 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 is right here. 5, 1 is right here. And y'all, that's going to be the inverse line. This is f to the negative first power, which means inverse. Anytime you see anything in math that has an exponent of a negative 1, that means inverse. Exponent of negative 1 means inverse. One more thing, guys. If I had all the time in my world, and if I could fold this little picture in half on the diagonal, those two lines would lay right on top of each other. But the big takeaway from the graphing is it's reflected over y equals x, and the x and y switch. All right, now let's talk about algebra.